Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you fishing enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the KastKing Sharky 3 Baitcasting Reel, and trust me, it's a game changer. If you're serious about fishing, having the right gear is crucial. The KastKing Sharky 3 is here to take your fishing experience to the next level. Let me tell you why it's the best bait casting reel available in the market today. First, let's dive into the key features that make the Sharky 3 stand out. The Sharky 3 features the auto-adjustable Crossfire 12-button magnetic braking system. This technology provides incredible braking control. As the spool's speed increases, the magnetic field adjusts to prevent overruns, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free fishing experience. Despite its lightweight design, this reel is incredibly powerful. The carbon fiber frame, side covers, and star drag reduce overall weight to only 6.5 ounces, making it easy to handle. Plus, it can handle the stress that serious anglers put it through. Thanks to the triple-disc carbon fiber drag that generates an impressive 17.6 pounds of maximum drag power. With 10+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, the Sharky 3 offers silky smooth retrieves. The 7.2:1 high-speed gear ratio makes it versatile for various fishing styles. It also boasts a manganese brass pinion gear, hardened aerospace aluminum main gear, and brass main gear shaft for flawless performance. The Sharky III's patented LFTV line guide reduces friction on the line, resulting in fewer backlashes and longer casts. The shallow aluminum spool rotates faster than traditional spools, offering exceptional casting accuracy. This reel gives you complete control with its carbon fiber star drag, allowing easy drag pressure adjustments when you're hooked up. The tension knob features an audible click adjustment for precise settings. The lightweight aluminum handle adds strength without extra weight, and the premium paddles ensure excellent comfort. And here's the cherry on top. The Sharky 3 comes with a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. KastKing stands behind their product, so you can fish with confidence. But let's not just take my word for it. We've put the KastKing Sharky 3 to the test in real-world fishing scenarios, and the results were outstanding. As you can see, it's receiving rave reviews from satisfied anglers who appreciate its performance and value for money. So, there you have it, folks. The KastKing Sharky 3 Baitcasting Reel is, without a doubt, the best baitcasting reel available in the market today. With its advanced technology, lightweight design, and unbeatable performance, it's a must-have for any angler. If you're ready to take your fishing game to the next level, don't miss out on this incredible reel. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the KastKing Sharky 3 today. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product reviews, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with your fishing buddies. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.